I am going to keep it. Look at that. That is a nice cutthroat trout. Look at that. That's a bigger one. There he goes. We got lots of fishing to do for sure. We're going to be going up beyond that mountain. So we're going to be camping out tonight. Check out this mountain stream. The last thing we want to do is overheat. This will keep our head cool. North Cascades looking to the northeast. Brenda's crushing it, as usual, with her little misting apparatus. Way up there at the top of that mountain, I'll zoom in so you can see what I'm talking about. There's some people. That peak right here is Black Peak. We are now breaking out into the boulder field. This is where it's going to be a little bit time consuming. Lake is over there and that's where we're headed. It'll be a bit of a challenge. Check this out. We have to cross this huge boulder field and probably some snowfields. You can see amazing waterfall that we're going to be coming really close to. And then just above and beyond that is Lewis Lake, which is right there. And we are headed up just between or just below those two big patches of snow is Wing Lake, and that's where we will be camping out tonight. We still have a bit of a trek, but it's going to be so cool. This is where we are, right below this massive rock face mountain towering above us, thousands of feet above us. It's pretty cool. Super rockfall zone en route up to Wing. Mosquitoes are pretty wild up here too. Don't want to hang out too much in this boulder field. It's not a good spot if a big chunk of rock breaks off from above. We'll be just sitting ducks down here. Finally broke out onto a dirt path, which is nice, at least for a little bit. We're pretty much out of the main danger rockfall zone, but you can't trust these mountains up here. They're always shifting and changing, so gotta be careful. How is this for mountain views? Look at this huge basin. So wicked. It's amazing. So it came up in this little tiny breakout point on this trail, and it came out right to the beautiful waterfall, the Cascade coming from Lewis Lake, which is just around the corner. So, and there's obviously Black Peak right there. So yeah, pretty cool. We're gonna break through this little side trail, and the trail just continues right over here. Brenda's just doing a little bit of nano rearranging in her pack, and then we're off.
Having a
to,
yard sale.
yeah, she's having a yard sale.
Everything fell out.
Everything fell out of the side pouches of her pack. Brenda is taking advantage of this really nice spot on this mountain stream. It's probably a good 4 or 5 feet deep in this area. This water is cold, but on a hot day like today, it feels good. Looked like a rainbow trout or a cutthroat just moments ago surfaced, and I totally missed it, but it was probably a good 8-inch trout. First cast we found. Got one. Got it.
Oh my goodness.
I knew you'd bite too. He's a little fighter. Oh, there's a bigger one in there. That's definitely a cutthroat. There he goes. Back at it. Let's see, take one more cast. Obviously you just saw the first cast was very successful with a nice cutthroat trout. We're gonna take another cast. Take some things on the baby, but well, that was a great cast right over the rock. Hold on a minute. Alright, here we go. We're already after it. There's a big boy in there too. As soon as we feel this big strong. Yep, we're gonna get it. Up. Yeah. Oh, you saw that?
So close.
He almost had that. Let's take one more cast. Right over there. In the shallows and bring her back to the deep. Right across that big rock there. We're gonna get one. Watch this, it's gonna happen. Here he comes. Oh, there he is.
Got
That's
it.
a big one. I think that's a bigger one than last time. Oh no, he's stuck on that rock.
No.
Oh man.
Don't lose your flatfish.
I won't. We're doing old tricks here. Alright, we're free. We lost him. You saw it. We had him on. See if we can get him back on. It's a nice thing about fishing this spot. If we snag up, we can just go on the other side of the rock. On there here, right now. Get after it. Yep, we got him.
Nice.
Look at that one. That's a dandy. It might be the same one, but look at the color. Bright red. Look at that. That's a bigger one.
Yeah, bright red. I've never seen
Yeah, that's the first time I've seen one
one
like
so
that.
red.
But that is definitely a serious cutthroat. I've never seen one like that before, but let's pull her in a little bit. Get this thing off. Careful with the tip of the pole here. Always wet your hands.
Beautiful.
Barely hooked. So that's good, but watch this. He's gonna get after it, watch this. He's just gills there. There he goes. We might drop a line in the water on Lewis Lake, just above us, but we'll see what happens. We got lots of fishing to do for sure. We made it to Lewis Lake, but we still have a little ways to go. We're going up below Black Peak. We're on the other side of Lewis Lake now, and you see the views are so cool. Lots of bugs though. Some beautiful butterflies. This water's cold, getting completely soaked. Well, we're making progress, as you can see. Over there is that huge boulder field that we crossed. And then way over here on the other side of this mountain is Maple Pass Loop. And yeah, epic mountain range, North Cascades in every direction.
100%.
Yeah, 100% for sure. We did it, doll. It's amazing.
Where?
It's a gorgeous lake. Right now we are just cruising around the lake, getting a feel for potential camp setups for the tent.
I think this might be the one.
We could leave our packs right here.
Absolutely.
We're gonna drop our packs. There is fish jumping, so. Brenda has her meal all done, and it looks like it's a home-style noodle casserole. I already tried it, and it's very delicious. We are at a full roll-in boil right now. Let's just open the lid just a little bit, but you can see we are full steam ahead with the boil action. It's gonna cool off here in moments.
It's already dropping.
It's already dropping, my friends. But we're ready for it. We're gonna set camp here pretty quick. There he is, checking us out. This fish jumping. Whoa, I got $1.
What?
I got a fish.
Really?
I totally got a fish on. It's a decent one. It looks like a rainbow trout, but I can't tell. No, it looks like yeah, it's a rainbow trout. A nice one. Like a keeper. Yeah, we got ourselves a rainbow trout out of the lake, and it's a decent sized one. Check it out. I am going to keep it. Look at that. That's a dandy trout. Should I release him? Or keep it? I'm thinking about releasing it because we just had dinner.
Sure.
And let him back. But nice catch. Look at this, guys. This is probably a good 11-inch rainbow trout out of Wing Lake up here in the North Cascades. So I'm going to put him back. We're going to unhook him. But I got to get my hands wet. But yeah, pretty sweet. That's a dandy trout. Dang. Super cool. That's a dandy trout. Very nice rainbow. Anyways, I'm gonna get the hook off of him and let him go back to nature. Let's hope I don't fall in the water. It's so icy cold. We're gonna release him. Super cool. Can still see him a bit. Excellent rainbow trout up here in the mountains, up on Wing Lake. Saw one jump, and then I was like, you know what? I'm gonna throw the line out in the water. And I'm so glad that I did, because that fish was definitely a keeper. But obviously, we just ate dinner. The last thing I want to do is catch a fish and then just throw them out in the cold water, and it just wouldn't be as fresh. So maybe tomorrow for lunch, we'll catch a trout and fry it up with some oil, and it'll be delicious. But super cool. I was just using that orange flatfish and got myself a dandy of a trout. That's good. I'm stoked. There's good fish in here. That was a good sized rainbow trout. Most awesome. Good morning, friends. We literally just got out of the tent. It was a fine evening, but the water froze last night, got down to about 38 degrees. It's pretty cold. See some climbers up there already, heading up to Black Peak. Currently we are at 6,930 feet, right here at the lake's edge. Good morning, Belle.
Morning. Blue sky.
Brenda is in her element, keeping cozy. Mosquitoes are slowly coming out, and Brenda took shelter in the tent behind the screen door. Just kidding, there's no mosquitoes, she's just chilling. It's a ways up there.
It
I see
is.
some people at the saddle, standing.
Yeah, there's some people up there. One there. Wow. The waves.
This is good. There's our camp down by the lake. We've got a pretty good spot. This little guy must have had a Red Bull this morning. He's all over the place. So our camp is right there. He snuck up on us. Brenda spotted him. It's a pretty good sized marmot. Check this out. Got some serious chompers. Backcountry skiers coming in.
Daniel's warm-blooded, so he's doing me a favor.
Mountain water right here.
Yeah, baby.
Just getting the carbon stuff out of this.
It's a new filter.
New filter. That should be good. So now what we're gonna do is refill this thing and then we're good to go. And now we have some filtered water.
Excellent.
So it's also good practice when you're filtering to push a little water to get it rinsed off before you close it, because you don't want to get gunk in there.
Now,
Little tricks, Brenda, little tricks. May I carry this or?
Sure, unless. Nice. My Sherpa.
Mountain water right here. We both got the Peak Refuel beef pasta. And so we're gonna be crushing this for lunch today. And then we're gonna be packing up the campsite. And there's a bug in there, but I don't care. They'll cook them up real nice and neat.
Ooh, we have ignition.
Full steam. Full steam ahead.
Okay, the lid goes on.
Check out how delicious this meal is gonna be. Chunks of beef, some pasta. It's gonna be so good. So, my meal is done, and check out how delicious it looks. Chunks of beef, some pasta, perfect seasoning. Yeah, this is gonna be a win for sure.
First bite.
Yeah, first bite's gonna be good.
Thank you, God, for our food.
Amen. That's good. Happy birthday, Brenda. Down to the minute. It's exciting.
It's 107 when
Brenda's
I was born.
birthday, yep, when she was born. And we're celebrating it up here at Wing Lake. The marmots are out whistling back and forth right now. It's pretty cool. It's a bald eagle skirting the lake. We can't have a birthday without birthday cake. What kind of cake is this, Brenda?
This was lemon pistachio olive or olive oil cake, possibly. I think olive oil cake, but that's not what the sign said at the Mazama store.
Yeah, that we got from the Mazama store yesterday. And yeah, it's gonna be really good. We're gonna have some birthday cake for the birthday girl up here in the mountains. It's gonna be amazing. We even got some candles, which you'll see here in a moment. Here's the lemon cake. Nice. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brenda. Happy birthday to you. Looks like nature's helping you out.
The wind beat me through
Yeah, the
it.
wind beat you to it. It's awesome. Just blow that one out quick. Nice. Nature. Gotta love it. Happy birthday, Brenda. I love you. It's good?
Really good.
Nice. Yum. Just getting camp broken down, getting things packed up, and we're gonna head out and hit one more spot for fishing and then make our way down the mountain. Well, got camp all packed up, bags are all packed. We're about to hit the trail.
Packed up. Tent's gone.
Heck yeah.
Ready to go.
Let's try. And got one on.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, you got off.
Oh.
You saw it. This flatfish right here is called a bleeding frog.
Ooh.
And I think we're gonna catch one on the first cast. Let's find out.
Let's do this.
Good one. That's a keeper.
Gorgeous. Whoa.
That is a nice cutthroat trout.
You definitely landed him.
First cast. Nice trout.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Let's get this bag quickly. He's done. Nice cutthroat. You see that right here? Nice cutthroat.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Taking orders?
You want one? All right. There you go.
Beautiful.
Wild cutthroat trout just below Lewis Lake here in the North Cascades. Pretty sweet. It's a dandy. It's a keeper. Panfish all day long. Grit City Knives.
Thanks, Chris. Thank you.
It's already fallen off the bone. Well, this about wraps it up, friends. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. We're about to dig in this wild caught cutthroat trout. If you like this video, please give it a like, hit that follow button, or subscribe to the YouTube channel. We greatly appreciate your guys' support. We'll see you guys on the next adventure. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Perfect fried spin. It's so good.
It's good, isn't it?